刚才都这么要上了，
哎，
跪在一条道上，
哦，
明白不？
非常好啊。
就这一条道啊，那这么要，哎，这么条道，刚进这么哎，2001国道，2001国道，对，
这是去大理甲是吗？Hey
对，
guys,
去大理去，
I found a way to make up some ground.
这是2001国道，这是马家滩，这是积石滩。
But I'm not sure why we went this way.
My hunch is this route is nasty. Is that a bad? That could be a bad route.
No, because I checked it on the internet. I mean, there's a
上
road.
面这个堵啊，上面堵啊，奔那
But
个
I
大理
think
家
it's in this. It's somewhere. Changzhou somewhere. No, actually, because Dalija is 26 clicks from here, from this point to this point. That's what the sign says. I'm not sure how we got sort of around here. But anyway, that's the
Well,
road.
we can find out where.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we get disqualified. We're not even on the yellow?
人家咱弄个推车不跟顶，这弄好这个是，这是哪行？那等到咱弄个累死了。
你别看维修工，你看变换新的，
对呀，我就是弄俩维修工跟顶。
这不跟着的吗？这不俩吗？
啊，那跟顶行，要不是。啊，这弄好车呀，弄。警车还行，警车还行，你这新的。
现在都完，现在讲成旧车了。
这个赶不上这个。有啊，不行啊，凤凰。
You think that's what he drew? Because that looks like a highway right there.
No, that's the dam.
Yeah, it's the freeway.
But you can't take the bikes on that.
No, I know. So we're going to the north of the freeway, right?
Yeah, we could have followed this other road, go this way, the small road.
That's what he was saying.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. Yeah, we could have saved yourself a little bit. But.
Yeah, saving ourselves. That's not what this is about.
So it was here, yeah. So
Yeah.
he's saying somewhere in here we could have
Yeah, so we could have kept going.
this way. But then I think that does not look like part of the.
咔就过去了。对，慢。
Okay.
All right, guys, you learned something.
Jack. Why are you supposed to have the truck?
So here's the plan. You see that little red guy? My plan was to get in behind him and just draft off him. So because we're going at about the same speed, so I come in behind him and he slows down because he sees me right behind him. So I have to hit the brakes, and I think that's what did it. That's what he just said to me, right? He said I hit the brakes too hard. So anticipate. Don't draft, right?
You almost hit that. Oh, did you hit it? Wow. So dangerous.
You know what it was though? Inside here is where like the cog comes around, right?
Yeah.
There was a piece of my original chain sitting in there.
Inside.
And inside, yeah. I don't think the guy, like when he changed the second chain, opened that up to see if anything was in there. So.
Throw itself out.
Yeah, like I kind of crunched and whatnot, but
So that's
my second chain didn't last for more than 10 minutes.
That's
Yeah, that was
taking all the
Colin.
time.
It was half of his pedal.
Do you want me to take some of the oil? You got some of the oil?
I'm okay. You're talking about just carrying it, or you want to put it in?
Carry it? No, I don't want to put it in.
Yeah. No, I'm fine.
You don't have all four, do you?
Yeah, I do, but it's okay. I'm the skinny guy on the team, I can handle this.
Get some air over here, dude.
Yeah. You pump a tire. Oh my god. These are so flat.